Welcome to my testing grounds. No, this is not Hoth. This is Earth. But anyway, I'm here today to show you this. The M62A1 little friend. It is an electro-thermal rifle. I designed the thing from scratch. Now, you can see it has a bore of about 25 millimeters. That is, in standard measurement, that would equate to approximately 1 inch. So, yeah, it could do some damage if it fires correctly. But anyway, I built it completely out of spare parts. Mostly some from a salvaged radio system called the Plectron. Soon enough, you've probably heard of it, but it used to be used in fire service. Got all this 1960s technology. The body of it is mainly built out of 2x4s. Now, these legs, I add these on after my dad had a bit of a shocking incident with it. Literally, it was shocking. The trigger mechanism consists of a metal plate, which I forgot to insulate. And that started hitting him pretty hard a couple times, so I put on this nice tripod system so that way I could fire it remotely. Well, at least somewhat remotely. Now the power I showed you comes in through that cord, which I have wrapped up on there. It goes through a safety, which I put over here on the other side, which you can see right about. It is right there, actually. Sorry if it was in view before I could actually see it on my screen. But power can go through here. This is a three-phase capacitor. It actually is going to boost the voltage up a little bit to about 220 volts. Same stuff that your household dryer uses if it's not propane. That then goes to the transformer there. That's going to boost the voltage up even farther. I still need to do a little testing to figure out exactly how much it is, but it's a good amount. Power is then going to go through this yellow cable here. Yellow cable goes to this little station here. That's actually the salvaged metal plate that I was referring to earlier. The power is going to come through the white wire because it's marked as hot. What's going to happen is when I strike against that metal plate, when it's plugged in, it is going to send current back through the wire and into the chamber there, which I have currently disconnected to do further testing. Now there's the breech. That's where that cap will go on. In there I will load a cartridge which is filled with steel wool. That steel wool, with the bullets that I currently have, will have more steel wool in front of it to act as an incendiary. Now the large shock will go through the cap and then go through the steel wool. And that's going to turn into a plasma. And the plasma will propel the other piece of steel wool, hopefully lighting it on fire, propelling it down the barrel and down to the fence, which you cannot currently see because of my screen. Now, there are a few weird first problems I was learning, like the legs look a little odd, but keep in mind this is a prototype. It's still in testing phases. It still contains some of the elements I put in from when it was going to be a rifle, like the piece of metal down here so I can mount, say, a bayonet or undermount grenade launcher, or a future combat model, of course, but hopefully I will be able to get this thing working much more efficiently in the future.